Good morning, everyone. Welcome to NPGI Class 10, Subject Economics. Today's chapter is a globalization and the Indian economic. Globalization. You have seen at the present time in the modern world, you have seen the trade are increasing because we have seen the trade, the transport and communication system are developed, show the sinking of the world, and we have covered the long distance in the short time. So we have seen the trade are increasing very rapidly in the modern world, and all the things and service provide all the countries because we have trade the import and export all the countries first जैसे कि production cross the country, it means you have seen that India export the raw material and imports fishing goods from the European countries during the colonial period. We have seen when the British are ruled, so the Britishers export the raw material in England, and when the product are ready to import in India also. And second, the trade become the main channel of the connection. Second, advanced trade network led the in form of MNC, multinational corporation. So we have seen the transport and communication system are increased. The many multinational companies are trade in one country to another country, and also the multinational companies MNC is a large companies that owns and control production in more than one country. Second, the MNC is set up those countries where the cheapest labor and the resources, so the reduce the price and make huge profit also. And most common route for investment of MNC in a country around the world to buy interesting local companies. And he also joined the local company and also the capture to the local companies. MNCs, multinational corporation who are work within a country and the other countries. He was control the production, and he set up the company in other countries where he is found the cheapest labor and the resource, because when he found the cheapest labor and resource, he make the product in a low price, so the price are down and make huge profit for his company. So you have read. Thank you.